Hi, hello and welcome to another video on my channel, which is called Ruby Raven, and it's Jana speaking. It is an unboxing of 12 scale furniture kits from Etsy. I was looking there when I brought the new house, which haven't arrived yet. It is a Tudor style house. When you're following me on Instagram, you already know how it looks. And let's go through all these packages. Why did I buy so many things online for a whole price, which I usually do not do? I usually go in on eBay or something. I'm distracted. So everything I brought from this store is from this Art Nouveau style, and I did it because it is with trees and flowers and leaves and curvy styles and swirls. You're going to see while I'm showing you all the pieces here. I'm not going to unpack these because there are too many. It would end up in total chaos. You can see here the engravings too. It is all made from MDF. It is not wood, so it has no wooden grain in it, and only staining it wouldn't look so good. So opaque or nothing it is. I did buy the bench. Oh, so lovely. You see the swirly details here, so nice and fragile. Is it how it looks in the package? Well. So why do I spend so much money? Because of all the pandemic situation there. Can you see the trees here up there? They're actual trees, tree designs, or trees. And I saved a lot of money. It was, this is the actual board why I decided to buy a lot of this stuff from this brand, Art Nouveau. So, see the detail here? This fragile piece, for example. Oh, the glare. So I did spend a lot, did save. So I did spend here, but I also did save a lot of money, and it was Christmas, and I was getting sad, and I wanted to treat myself, so I did, and I don't think I will do in the near future again. Can you see the trees up there? Trees again. Swirly, curly, floral things. Ah, it's just awesome. Can we see the trees in here? No. It doesn't want to. Let's go to the next one. This is another gorgeous board with a mirror. Here you can see some engravings and details and laser cuts. I honestly would love to have a laser cutter myself, another board. Here you can see some lovely details. There they are. Ah, just gorgeous. A fire screen! I'm not sure if I'm actually going to use it as a fire screen. It could also be a fence or a stained glass window maybe. Oh, this we're keeping for later. There's a gift inside, there's a gift inside. Actually, these are two gifts. It's another side table and a chair. I didn't buy a chair, and this one is matching. Can you see the tree? The tree design back there. Oh, it is gorgeous. They just saw what I was buying and picked something to fit with it. Oh, awesome. Where's the second one like this? I did buy two of these. These are signs that you can put in front of a door or a store or whatsoever. Let's put it aside. I will find the second one. Another gorgeous piece with a lovely mirror. This is a room divider made of 3 pieces. Let's take a closer look at it. There are hinges and nails also in there. Be careful. Oh, it smells so good. I would love to have a laser cutter myself, but it takes up too much space that I do not have. I don't have a shop or a garage or whatever. Look at it. Beautiful. Beautiful. So extra. So lovely, soft, fairy tale-like design. Another little table. Peacocks! Look at it. I just needed it. It is a room divider again. 3 identical pieces, but it screams something else to me. Let's see. I'm going to use it anyway in any project in future, so you will see it again. Another fire screen. Oh, here's the second one. So, these are 2 door hangers. One is for the Mad Hatter Alice in Wonderland theme, and one is for the fairy tale Do Whatever Comes Into Your Mind theme. This is the Mad Hatter sign I chose. It is German for Verrückter Hutmacher. And this is the other one saying Wunderschmiede, which is Forge of Wonders or Wonder Forge. So both projects will happen. This is a hall stand. Look, flowers, swirly curves, and smooth designs. You can put hats on there, for example. Whoa, this has a lot of small pieces. Another room divider. It is... Oh, it smells so good again. And this one honestly screams window to me. Big, stained, colorful window. I do want to use it with the Tudor house, but let's see if it fits. A small little shelf for the wall. This is the best fire screen, I think. The most beautiful design. And this one I'm actually going to use as a fire screen. Oh, another table with leaves. Oh, here you can see them. Here you can see the leaves, gorgeous little leaves. Oh yes, windows, windows, windows. I brought 3 of them. They're made of 2 pieces, obviously. Great. Aren't they gorgeous? I'm seeing stained windows again, somehow. Everything is stained window for me. 3 pieces. I can't wait to start crafting. Oh, we are already at the end. Oh, the last piece. Oh, I found a little knob. Oh, I should keep it. So there's a bag already opened. Big floral gate for a garden or a house. Let's see. I need to have it. It is very huge, although it states 12 scale. One idea that I would love to do is baby dragons. Don't ask me why, but I do want to have baby dragons. Are there baby dragons in Alice in Wonderland? And there will be flowers, of course. With this design, there will be flowers all over it. So please feel free to help me and leave some comments here on YouTube or Instagram. Every idea helps. And let's see which one will win. Thank you so much for hanging with me. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel and like and maybe leave a comment to this video. See you next time. Bye bye bye.